Hello, this is again a special video tutorial. It's for Lithophane Technologies files that we generate with a specific application for lithophanes, and now we will set up the parameters for this type of files on both softwares, in Ultimaker, Cura, and in ZSuite. So let's start with download the files from website. So this would be the 7th file, Lithophane 1. So I will download it. I download it. Very good. And now just go to Ultimaker, Cura, and set up the printer here. So first of all, I will bring the file, of course, on the build plate. Okay, and this is the file. What is there? I can see there is something like a lion, or yes, you see, it's a lion. No, it's not a lion, sorry, it's some kind of animal. Okay, good. So this is a wild animal. I don't know which is good. And we will set up the printers. And of course, for this part, we want to make a very fine quality, but also it not should be the extra fine. Why? Because if it's ultra fine, there will be a lot of layers, and when we will put the light behind this part, there will be the vertical or the horizontal lines. So I will prefer to put 0.1 millimeters. This means almost double quality, less, yes. So I will put 0.1 millimeters, and the infill here I will put 30 degrees. Yes, I don't want to have too much increase. And here the pattern can be cubic, yes, quarter cubic, or also can be concentric, how you want. Yes, so we can try the concentrical and see what we obtain with this result. Yes, so just slice this part. Wait for slicing, because here is a very complex surface with a lot of elements of details. It will take a while until the software will generate the code for this. Yes, you can see here it's like a mountain, a lot of mountain. So the surface is very complex, and it take a while until it will be generated. So just have patience and wait to software to do the process. Okay, and just make a preview to see. Okay, and this is the real pictures, how our part will look like in real life, how it will look physically. Yes, and we can see all details will be like this. So this is the printed version of this file, and of course we can go inside and see how our part is look like. Yes, you can see that each element is tried to be create concentrical with the offset, and just save the file and say Lithophane and save it on desktop. Okay, switch to second one and choose the Zorka M300 Plus printer, and just go and take the Lithophanes. And here again will come a few seconds to upload. Yes, it's preparing file. The software found some very complex surfaces, because you can see it's a very complex surface. Yes, and for software it's very complicated to read each type of surface. So just go to print settings, and from here also we can choose 0.14 and the quality remain high, and the pattern I will choose also pattern 2. The infill will be 30 and the layers will be 5 or 6 with 6. So I will keep 5 with 5. Because it's a lot of surface with contact, I will increase this to 0.3. Yes, and also I will increase it to 0.25. Yes, so I increase the first layer gap, so the gap between the proper part and the raft will be 0.3 millimeters, and the gap between the build plate and the raft will be 0.25 millimeters. Just go to preview, wait to slicing, and we will see the preview for this part, how it look on real life. And if we also download the PDF, so it's available. Available for each PDF guide. We have a pictures with printed parts, I hope. Yeah, so I'll go to last one. Look, so this is a printed part, and for each one you can see the printed product. So here is a prototype of this product, of course. Yes, after we make all settings, and of course you have all parameters shown here in software. And this is the way that I don't use this, because I want to show you something different that is shown in this PDF guide. So this is the product with a light behind. Yes, so this is the real effect. Okay, and this is will be all. So this product that is shown here, it's this one. So it's this product on Zortrax printer, and we can go through layers and see how layer by layer it's constructed, it's created. Good. Export the file on desktop, and it will be a lithophane. Save it, go to desktop, and both file for 3D Creator and for Zortrax are here. So this is the way how we set up and how we prepare for lithophane printing. Thank you. See you on next.